Hello everybody and welcome to chemistry. This is going to be a great year. I am Mrs. Ehle. My name is spelled like this, E-H-L-E, but is pronounced like the word ale, as in ginger ale. Anyways, a lot of kids get confused by that, so I'm just going to tell you straight up. We are actually going to have a Meet Your Teacher session Thursday at 12:30, and I look forward to seeing you there. I'll tell you a little bit more about who I am and how I got to where I am teaching you guys this semester. Alright, as far as supplies go, I have a list of things that you will need for this course. The very first thing is a notebook. I want you to have a notebook that's solely for this class. You write chemistry on the front of it and you'll only use it for taking notes and working on your problems and solutions book. The second thing you'll need are pencils. You'll probably go through a few of those in this class. The third thing that you're going to need is the periodic table. You are always welcome to use the periodic table anytime, any test, any quiz, anytime you're in Class Connect and I'm asking you a question, you're going to refer to this periodic table. So it's a must-have, and I'll show you in a little bit exactly how you get it. You can download it from the class. The very fourth thing you'll need is the Problems and Solutions Manual. This is an online book, and it's located in the classroom, but you can download it to your Kindle or if you have another device that you read books from. Otherwise, I want you to save it to your favorites on your computer, the Problems and Solutions Manual. The fifth thing I would like you to have would be a folder labeled Chemistry on your computer. And if you don't know how to create new folders on your computer, I've got another tutorial that will show you how to do that. And then finally, I want you to bring a positive attitude to class. Chemistry is an awesome subject and we're going to have so much fun learning this year. But you need to come with a positive attitude. And if you're starting to feel frustrated, no problem. Just email me and we can work through it. And I can help you. I'm always willing to help students that are willing to learn. All right, thank you. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to do today is to create a folder for our chemistry class. What you're going to do is you're going to click on these files right here. And then you're going to click on My Documents. And you're going to create a folder for this semester. I labeled mine 2015 Fall. I double click on that and I'll see that this folder's empty. I'm going to create a folder for my chemistry class in this semester's folder. So I'm going to right click and then I'll click New Folder. And then I'll name that folder Chemistry. I would just go ahead and create a folder for each of your classes that you have this semester. And then once you do that, you have a nice organized system where you can store all of the work that you do throughout the semester. But once you get into chemistry, the way I would like you to organize your chemistry folder is to create new folders by unit. So we're going to start with Unit 1. And again, you just right click, select New Folder. And then I will name this one Unit 1. And all of your Unit 1 work can be stored right there. Easy peasy. Okay, so now that you have a folder for chemistry, the next thing I want you to do is to go into the classroom. And when you go to your classroom home page, it looks something like this. It'll probably look a little different when you get in here, but that's okay. So what I want you to do is first go to the locker. In the locker, you'll see that there are 2 files at the moment. The first is the late work policy, and then the second is the periodic table. What I want you to do is click on that periodic table, and then you can File, Save Page As, and you can save it into your chemistry folder that you created. And I wouldn't even put it in one of the units. I would just go ahead and save it right in there. And then I would click this blue arrow pointing down and double click on that, and then you can print a copy of it. And you can see how that will look, and then just go ahead and print it. You definitely need one printed, and I would even put it in a page protector. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you how to do in the classroom is to get the Problems and Solutions Manual. So you're going to go into Course Materials, and then you can see we've got the semester calendar in here, which is very helpful. Some people would like to use this semester calendar, but we also have the classroom calendar. So this here is, if you like to print it off, you can go ahead and download it and print it off. If you just want to use the class home calendar, that's fine as well. So however you like to learn. So course materials, but you definitely need the Chemistry Problems and Solutions online book. So you click on it, and then this will pop up. It says access the online textbook, so you can click on that. And if you do not have a Kindle or another device to download this book to, I want you to select Favorites and add it to your favorites. That way, anytime you need it, you can just go right there and go to Recently Bookmarked, and it's right there. Okay? But you can also download it to the following: the Kindle, Kindle Fire, Sony Reader, Apple iPad, and some others. And there's clear instructions on how to download it right there for you.